Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. So it's my friends over at yarnspirations.com. This is step number 6 of, and there's one more step to go after this. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting off in the corner of the chain 3 space and then single crocheting 3 times. We're going to follow the 3 single crochets in the back post that we had already before and into this one that is extending down. Okay, that is the one with the long chain to it. You're then going to reach on over and just sliding this stitch that this chain that you have forward so you can access this particular solo single crochet that or a middle one that's right there, and then you're just gonna put 3 in there, and then here do you see that there was a treble, a double, a half, and a single? You're only gonna do a single in the second one and then a half in that one. And what you want to do then is in the chain 1 space here on the edge we're gonna put 3 double crochets, and then reaching on up over we're gonna start with a half in the first one. We're gonna do a single in the next, and then just jump over and go into this one down here and just move the chain work in front so that it will be available to you. So let's move on and let's do this round together. Okay, let's begin. We're gonna begin in a chain 3 space. This is this one here. This was the back post single crochets right in the corner. You're gonna go in there. You can do a standing single in there if you want to instead of doing the chain 1 to begin. So that was 1 of 3 and then 2 and 3. You go right up over top of the chain. You don't have to sew it in later. So now you're gonna have 4 single crochets in a row. So the 4 single crochets will include the first 3 of the back post single crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and it will also include, just move it forward if you can't see it, is the single crochet which is the one that was part of the chain like there. So now you have to extend down. So what I would recommend to you, go right up over top of the chain. So make sure this chain stays in front. This one can be hidden, so you're gonna go right up over top of it. So you're just gonna go to the middle one of the grouping of the 3 and go right in and capture that chain so it gets stuck underneath the stitch, and you're gonna do 3 double crochets. Okay, so as long as you don't go over top of this chain, you're good. You're then going to see the one that's leaning down here, the second one that is from the end. You're going to put in a single crochet, and that pulls those double crochets over, and then the next one is gonna be a half. Now in the middle gapping space right here, you're going to apply 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3, and now we're gonna do the opposite to what we just did. So the first one out is a single crochet, so you want it to do it as a half, and then the next one is a single. So you want to do a double crochet, and you want to go into the middle one of the grouping of 3, and you can go right up over top of this chain. So you're just gonna double crochet, just capture that chain underneath. So 1, 2 and 3, just like that. You were then going to start with the one that has the long chain attached. It's blue in this case. So you're gonna start there, and that'll be the first single crochet of 4. So 1, and then get the other 3 back post single crochets, and also so there's gonna be a total of 4 single crochets before the corner. You're gonna turn the corner, and in the chain 3 space you're gonna be 3 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and now the next 4. So the 4th one is including that chain. So just do 1, 2, 3, and go right into the one with the chain. Just like that. You're going to double crochet, and you're looking for the grouping of 3 right here. You're gonna go up over top of that chain, so just going into that one, capturing that chain underneath. So 1, 2 and 3. You're going to then go to the second last one before it comes to the middle, and you are going to apply a single crochet and then a half. In this chain 1 space right here on the main square, 3 doubles. And now you're gonna work the opposite to what you just did. So you're gonna do a half in the first one, and then a single, and then coming right up over here to the middle one, going right up over top of that chain and there'll be 3 double crochet there. Once you get that done, start with the blue one. So that's your first single crochet, and then the next 3 are part of the edge. And then you're back in the corner for 3 single crochets. Just like that. So continue that all the way around. This is step number 6. So I'm coming up all the way around and I'm just filling in what I already know what to do. So that just the final 4 single crochets in a row. So you would have noticed that your square now is actually physically square. You're just gonna single crochet to the first one, and we're gonna be changing our color one more time. You can change your colors if you want to, or keep it the same. It's completely up to you. So this is it for step number 6, and let's move on to step number 7.